Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Among of alkali metals, the metal with highest ionization potential is option A is lithium, B is sodium, C is potassium, and D is rubidium. In this question, we have to tell the which metal has the highest ionization potential. Now let's solve this question. So here, first question arises that what are alkali metals? So answer is in a simple way, alkali metals belongs to the S block elements of the group 1 metals, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Now the second question is, what is ionization potential? So answer is ionization potential, the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bonded electrons of the outermost shell. So this is called the ionization potential. So in these metals which have the highest ionization potential. So we can see here all these metals belongs to the group 1 of S block elements. So as we go down in the group, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Francium is a radioactive element. So we can see here as we go down in the group, ionization potential decreases due to their atomic size increases. Means यहाँ क्या होगा, number of shells increases होंगे and number of electrons in the outermost shell remains the same. Means क्या होगा यहाँ पे कि शेल तो बढ़ते जाएंगे बट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या होंगे हर शेल में आउटर मोस्ट शेल के सेम होंगे. सो व्हाट हैपेंड हियर, द डिस्टेंस between the nucleus and electrons increases. अब यहाँ नंबर ऑफ शेल बढ़ेंगे तो डेट मीन्स क्या होगा, न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो भी क्या होगी, बढ़ेगी. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट decrease in nuclear charge. So less attraction between the nucleus and outermost electron. So because of that, it is easier to remove the outermost electron from the valence shell. Okay, so that means less attraction होगा between the nucleus and outermost electron. तो क्या होगा, हम उसको easily remove कर सकेंगे. So it required less amount of energy. Okay, so we can already see here that as we going down in the group, ionization potential is decreases. So that means lithium has the highest ionization potential. So now let's see the options. So here option A is the correct option. Hope you all understand the solution of this question. Thank you.